I'm Irfan Mirza, the Director Principal of VMSIIHE Institute of International Hospitality Management. And here today we are celebrating Onam. Onam is not the only festival that we celebrate all our Indian festivals, but this is one of the most important festivals that every year, except during the COVID time, and is organized by students with the support of faculty members, with cultural activities, dance programs, and traditional dressings. And we are going to serve the Onam Sadhya today, this afternoon. It resembles the new harvest festival in Kerala. But this festival is not only celebrated in Kerala, wherever the Malayalis, the people from Kerala live, irrespective of what religion they follow. They very much look forward to celebrating this Onam. I take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy Onam.
So for Onam Sadhya today, we have around 24 items which are authentic South Indian dishes, starting with the basic salt. We have uperi and shakarpatti. Those are two types of banana chips. One is a plain one is jaggery coated. We are having three types of pickle, mango, lemon and inji puli. We have different varieties of vegetable dishes, like we have cucumber khichdi, we have beetroot pachdi, we have eriseri, we have avial, kalan, cabbage and carrot toran, we have kotu curry, and we also have two types of dessert, that's palada and paripu payasam. We have rasam and we have sambaram, which is a buttermilk. So once the guests are seated, we will be serving them hot rice along with paripu curry and ghee. And usually in Kerala Onam Sadhya, it is 2 or 3 servings of rice. So the second service of rice, we serve the sambar, and the third serving of rice, we serve rice with pulisheri curry. So that's all we got for today's
Teacher, your name, good name?
My name is Gauri Patil, and I'm Assistant Professor for Food and Beverage Service at the Institute.
Please repeat me.
Name? Yeah. So, my name is Gauri Patil, and I'm Assistant Professor for Food and Beverage Service at the Institute.
Chakravarti, which is banana chips with coated jaggery. Then uperi, which is normal banana chips. Papadam, banana, and for the pickle, we'll be serving manga, which is mango pickle, marangi, which is lemon pickle, and injipudi, which is ginger pickle. Further on, we'll be serving vellarika khichdi, which is cucumber khichdi, and beetroot pachdi, kalan, olan, kootu curry, pumpkin eriseri, cabbage and carrot toran, avial, medquidity as the side dishes. Then we'll be serving mata rice with paripu curry and ghee to feel the richness, followed by sambar and puducherry. And for the sweet part of it, we'll be serving 2 types of payasam, palada payasam and paripu radamam. And to end the meal, we'll be serving rasam and sambaram for the refreshment. Hope you all enjoy the flavors and aroma of the Onam that's filled in the air today. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം ഓണാശംസകൾ. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.